Hey, what's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as DRACULA. So if you're new on the channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return, it's safe and secure for you. So it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in right now. The pre-sale has started and the liquidity is locked for 2 years, so it's a perfect sign of a stable and safe platform. So we will discuss further, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in the next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works, so how you can join that, where you can buy that, and it's a blockchain, it's tokenomics, it's partnership. So each and everything is very important before investing in any kind of project, so it's very important. So here you can see guys, the details are mentioned. DRACULA app coming soon, so stay in touch because they are launching their app as soon as possible. You can see here in the world of digital currencies, meme coins have evolved from a mere internet joke and powerful financial tools that combine innovation and community interaction. And DRACULA is a project that inspired by the legend of DRACULA. So this is the detail about this platform. You can easily study that, but there are a few key features that's very important to understand. You can see here their links and socials are given. You can join their community. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform. And next you can see here Telegram, Twitter, and white paper. So we will study white paper later. First we'll discuss the main page. And here you can see the partners. You can see DAX tool, DAX screener, and the CoinMarketCap, and Python, and next DAX view. So you can visit all and you can check all the information. You can see here the total supply is 600 million at the moment. And next you can see is DRACULA. 60% the pre-sale, 40% is liquidity. And next I will show you no tax. It's perfect, because a lot of project has tax when you buy that and when you sell that, so there is a taxation. So here no issue, there is no tax. You can easily jump in, you can buy DRACULA. Launch, initial funding, pre-sale phase, you can see here. So conducting a pre-sale of 60% of the total supply, building a strong community on the social media platform like Twitter and Telegram. And next you can see running aggressive for marketing campaigns next to attract the investor and user that will jump in, and they can participate in that. Next you can see here guys, listing on decentralized exchanges. It's listing on decentralized exchanges soon. It's mean that if you buy DRACULA coin, so you can sell it on decentralized exchanges, so it's perfect. Listing on a platform like Iridium, DAX tool, and DAX screener for decentralized trading. So this is the second option for you. You can trade also. So enhancing liquidity and locking it for 2 years ensure coin stability. So I already told you that it's locked for 2 years, so it's quite amazing, because in recent videos I introduced many projects, but their liquidity is locked for 6 months or 1 year. But here in DRACULA, you can see here its liquidity is locked for 2 years, so it's quite amazing. It means it's 100% stable and safe platform for you. Next you can see here spotting seamless transaction on a decentralized platform for easy access, so it's quite perfect. Okay, next if you scroll down a bit, so you can see here the detail about listing on decentralized exchanges, also provide detail about that. And then next you can see here the introduction to AI powered feature to create interactive content and offering exclusive benefit to coin holders within the app. So the app that is launching soon has massive features also. I hope you will enjoy that and you can generate a massive in profit in that app. So global expansion, you can see here You can see interesting new technologies like NFT and the metaverse into the ecosystem. So these are the main points that they are going to add in their ecosystem in the future also. So attracting more investor and expanding into a new market. So this is the dream of the team with backing up this platform. They're trying their best to make further more informations and more achievement for the project. So this was the detail that I provide you, and hope so you briefly understand about that, and it's a perfect opportunity for you to jump in right now and you can generate best return because there is no taxation, and you can see here there's no any other issues, so it's perfect for you. And how basically it works, so you can join with your Python wallet. First you need to download that, and after downloading you can buy from there, and you can easily move your assets here. So it's quite perfect. Okay, next I will show you the roadmap because it's very important to understand, because the white paper is the backbone of any platform, so it's very important to study the white paper. So let's see. Okay guys, here you can see the details about the white paper is given, each and everything is mentioned, and it's perfect for you. Before investing in DRACULA, you have to study the white paper, because white paper will provide you a proper guideline, how basically it works, what kind of potential, safety and security, and its reliability. So each and everything will be there. So it's very important to study the white paper. So when you visit the white paper, I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the detail. So launch initial funding pre-sale phase, connecting 60% of total supply. I already told you a bit of community social media platform like Twitter, Telegram. So this is the detail that I already mentioned. And next you can see listings, centralized and decentralized exchanges. So these informations are given. Next you can see here global expansion, tokenomics, the total supply is 600 million tokens. Next distribution 60%, 40% of trading liquidity locked for 2 years, ensure coin stability and safety. And next you can see on purchase no tax, on sale no tax. So this is quite amazing. So guys, hope so you briefly understand about that, and if there's something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding DRACULA. So hope so we will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.